Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you what is in my carry-on for the plane. Right now I'm in California, but I am flying to South Carolina to visit some family and friends and all that jazz. Everything that I find as a necessity may not be a necessity to you, but for me it is. So if you want to see what's in my bag, then just keep watching. So this is a duffel. This is really like a gym bag, and this is from BB. And I mean, she's cute, okay? She is giving us 2000s. I'm going to the gym. I'm taking a flight vibes. On this side, I just have my bonnet, okay? I kind of need her because I don't want to mess up my hair when I sleep, and she's handy. I have this headband in case I want to do some skincare. Let me turn this fan off. That's it for right here. On the other side, I have some sunglasses in this little case. These are my little don't talk to me glasses. Little Audrey Hepburn vibe, you feel me? Then I have my sleep mask. I actually got this from Target, and it comes in a little case, and this is essential in case somebody, you know, has their light on or somebody has their window open, you know, because I'm trying to sleep, okay? Then I just have a small Android charger for my portable charger, and then I have my AirPods charger. I would put my phone charger in here, but I'm still using it. So then getting into the front, I have some lip gloss, and then I have some gum, of course, because, you know, you gotta keep that breath fresh and popping, you feel me? And then I have my AirPods that I just got, so I haven't been bougie for forever. I just got them. And I got this cute little Louis Vuitton case. So, you know, don't talk to me, okay? Now getting into the bag, what she looks like on the inside. I don't know if you can see. Right on this side, there's two pockets. And in one of those pockets, I just have my deodorant. And I just have my comb, you know, so I can keep my wig in check. And I have my big old chunky portable charger. You know, I don't, you know, phone might be down on the plane, need that. Now getting into, I don't know if you can see this back pocket. I just have my reusable straws with their little tips, and I have the cleaner, and I don't know, I never used reusable straws before, but I guess California has changed just a little bit. And the other thing I have in here is my crepe eraser, suede and nubuck. I don't know what that is, but this one pair of shoes I have, if you get like a little stain or a little scuff, you can just take this, it's like an eraser, like a huge eraser, and just buff it off, and it looks like it never happened. So I'm definitely bringing that because those shoes weren't cheap, and Kanye's not gonna send me another free pair. I mean, he's not gonna send me a free pair, you know. So getting into the bag part, I just have my beauty blenders, makeup sponges, whatever you want to call it. I have this book that I've been trying to read, you know, because we all fell from reading once social media came about. But this is just a book about creativity and the mind. So this is my little makeup bag. Somebody asked you the question, like, what makeup would you bring to an island, or like if you're about to die, or, you know, I don't know what them questions are, like, you know, like, what are your like makeup that you just cannot live without, whatever. So this is everything that I would bring. Like, I think this is minimal, but I get to some people this is crazy, but this is everything I need for like a regular look, full face, you know, this is just everything. My moisturizer that I use before I put on my makeup. All the brushes are at the bottom. Primer, everything. Okay, and this is my little toiletry bag. So I have my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, facial spray. I think it's body spray, micellar water, like for eye makeup. And then I just have my toothbrush at the bottom, a makeup dissolver, some body lotions right here that I put in these two little cute little things. What is this? That Pixie. It's like a makeup fixing mist, conditioner right there, and then I just have like some little things I got some from Sephora, like moisturizers, masks, and stuff like that. Then next I have this bag, and she has two little situations. So in this one I just have some wet wipes, some facial wipes, and some, you know, some girly wipes. And then on the other side I have some Q-tips, some cotton pads for like toner, things like that. I have some Nair because, okay, I'm mixed. You know, I need to do my mustache because, I mean, it may look good now, but in a week it's gonna be all the way there again. So, and then I have some like little dental floss things right there, and some hair bows and some bobby pins in that. This is my last toiletry bag, and this is like stuff that like I know I'm gonna use like on the plane, like, or at the airport. So I have a mirror, so like if I'm putting on a mask or if I'm doing something to my face, I can see what's going on, and that's from Eco Tools. And then I have a deep conditioner because after my hair is straight, I like to do a deep conditioner just to revive my hair from the damage. I have a face mask, and then you can't see in there, but I have an eye mask, and fully intend on doing those on the plane. So, you know, if you see me, don't judge me because I'm doing it. And then I have some spray hand sanitizer, some Lysol to spray on the seats, and, you know, the tray and all that jazz. I have some Aleve right here because I don't get headaches too often, but I don't want to be in a situation where I won't have any medicine. I have some eye cream, some hand cream, some face oil because we all know it's strong plane. I mean, we can beat that in all day, but I mean, it is what it is. And I have a moisturizer, a sleeping mask, and this is a toner. So, you know, prepare shorty, you know what I'm saying? So, let me put this on my bag, and then we can get to the snacks. I love food. Clearly, I love snacks. So, for refrigerated snacks, I try not to do too many unless I buy them from the airport because, you know, like, if you have a layover somewhere or, you know, you just, okay. You know what I mean? I just got this little kit, has some carrots. I think, yeah, this is the turkey and cheese, and it has some broccoli up here and some Hidden Valley Ranch. That's my fave. You guys know what these are. These are like baby snacks, okay? These are baby food. These are really good, and I just love them. Like, I could probably sit here and eat all four of these, like, ace. And then next, I just have these Cliff Bars. I love Cliff Bars. I really like the white chocolate macadamia or something like that, but all they had was chocolate chips. Some red velvet Oreos with cream cheese icing. Oh, I love red velvet and I love Oreos, so this is just my fave together. Y'all know these good. Okay, these is slapping. So I already done ate all the rest, but this is the blueberry flavor of the little muffins. I mean, these slap. I mean, there's nothing else to say. And just because I wanted some nuts, you did. And cashews are expensive. I just got a little pack. I think it was like a box of like 10 of these little cashews, and have cashews, almonds, and cranberries in them. So just really good. I don't like raisins, so I like that it came with cranberries. So that is everything in my bag. Everything I need. I was gonna get me like a packing list from like, you can just look them up on Pinterest, but I think I am the packing list. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on that bell to get notified every time I upload, and thank you so much for watching.